Well, folks, time for another video and the shave. Well, today I was in a kind of a tea kind of mode, like an Earl Grey tea. So, why don't I just go for the best Earl Grey tea? Well, not the best, but the very best I have. And that is Cheshire. From Barrister and Mann. Yes, this is the old label, but the new label is different. It has, I think, Big Ben or something like that on the label. This is the older base. I don't know if my camera's going to pick up this because this is tiny. But I believe the newer base of this is the new Omnibus. This is, I think, the old Excelsior. I believe so anyhow. Yeah, I was just in that kind of like that Earl Grey tea mood today. So, got that going on from Barrister and Mann. We already have it whipped up nicely already in the Captain's Choice Sandstorm Bowl. And we are using the West Coast Honeycomb today. The West Coast Honeycomb. With that synthetic tuxedo knot. Couldn't think of it. My wife calls this the pickle because of the way the bottom of the brush is. Yes, very nice. Great scent. Kind of reminds me of the old Reef Point soap. Earl Grey and ginger. No gingerness, but the Earl Grey. So this is a great scent for me. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I got about 2 days of growth. Very itchy. Using the Rockwell 6C today. No, not the 6S, but the 6C today. And we are on plate 5, I believe. If I can. I think that's it right there. Plate 5. Very shiny. I have this in the gunmetal. I do also have the 6S, but I felt like the 6C because that was the first Rockwell Razor I ever had before I had the 6S. Great razor. I just like the 6S slightly better because of the extra weight, but this is still great. Plus, it's good value. All right, wet in the face. Am I forgetting anything? No. All righty. Barrister and Mann. Cheshire. For my whole life, I always pronounced Cheshire as Cheshire. But my English friends out there told me it's pronounced Cheshire. Like the Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland. But my New Jersey brain wants to say Cheshire, but it's Cheshire. This, I actually drink Earl Grey tea a lot. That and green tea. And this is pretty much spot on. Yes, I intercepted that before it went into my ear canal. So we're flying into the weekend. Today's actually Thursday, but this will post on Friday. I usually do my videos. Sometimes I do them on the day of, but I got a lot going on tomorrow. So we will post this tomorrow morning, very early. But today's Thursday. Alrighty. Let's get this going instead of farting around, right? Rockwell 6C in gunmetal. Nice. And plate. Oh, you know what I didn't tell you? I'm sure you probably guessed already. But the blade in this razor, take a guess. Take a guess. Yes, you are correct. It is a Persona. See if I can do this lefty. A Persona Prep blade. Nice. Of course it is, because that's all I use lately. I know they're a little bit pricey. Don't know why the price has jumped up on them. They are made here in the United States. I believe they are made in Virginia. I could be mistaken though, but I'm pretty sure they are made in good old state of Virginia. So nice, this razor. And remember, you basically got 6 razors in just this one, because you do get the other plates, and each plate has 2 different blade gap settings if you flip it over. I like the color because it's that gunmetal, so it's nice and shiny, but it has that little bit of darker twinge of a color because of the gunmetal. Oh, that is so nice. Wow. Great slickness. Even though this is the older Barrister Mann base. Oh yeah, that's pretty golden. Maybe I will try not to paint my earlobes this time. You figure I've been doing this long enough, I would just stay clear of my earlobes. Yep, we're flying into New Year. I told you I'd get a shave in before New Year. I might even get one more, but I'm not 100% sure. Nice. And like I said before, the newer version of Cheshire, or Cheshire, sorry. I'm pretty sure it is in the omnibus base with the new label. I kind of missed the old labels with the animals on them. Oh, that's good. That's really good. I need to wipe down my counter because I'm about to lean into it and it's soaking wet. My counter is very wet. All right. Oh, that's good. Just have a little bit in the usual spots. And it's pretty slick, the soap, so I think I'm gonna forego the, I don't need more lather. All right, I hear noise in the hallway. Bet you somebody's looking to come in here. All right, folks, so that's pretty good. I just covered my mouth there. All right. Let's empty good old Sigma Sea Monster sink. My water's nice and hot today. Nice and cold outside, though. Oh, yeah. Right, Sigmund? Sigmund says yes. All righty. I forgot to tell people I was actually filming right now, so My fault if you hear noise in the background. All right, let's go cold water rinse. Nice and cold. Oh yeah. All right. Lancaster Towel. Apparently there's a drop coming up in January. I think. Or that's what I've been reading on the boards and social media. We'll see. Alrighty. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh, that's good. Feeling good. Alright, so quick recap. That was Cheshire by Barrister and Mann. New label on the new soaps, by the way. This is the older label. And we used the Rockwell 6C today in gunmetal on, I believe that's plate 5, if you can see it there. Plate 5, blade in there was a Persona Prep. And we used the West Coast. Let me give this a quick little rinse there so you can, because it always has lather on it when I show it at the end. And it's a synthetic, so it rinses rather quickly. Well, my water is nice and hot. The new hot water heater is doing a superb job. So this is the West Coast Shaving Honeycomb with the synthetic tuxedo knot, and like I says, aka the pickle. It's just called maybe the pickle chip. I don't know. And that was all whipped up nicely in the Sandstorm Captain's Choice Bowl. Captain's Choice right there. Pew. Nice. All right. Let's finish this shave off with something nice. Something nice. How about the matching aftershave splash? Yeah, Cheshire. Nice. Awesome scent. Earl Grey. Not the man, but the tea. So you get a hint of that citrus, you know, from the Earl Grey. That's so good. Yeah, get it in there, Glenn. Little up the nose, little in the ears, behind the ears, maybe behind the neck there. Yes, 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 yes. Good stuff. Alrighty. So that was the matching splash. Like I said, I got the older label and the older formula. I believe the newer stuff is the Omnibus. So there you go. Alright, folks. So if you enjoyed today's Barrister Mann Cheshire shave, thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me that dislike button. And maybe I'll see you guys before New Year's. If I'm not, Happy New Year, everyone. Stay safe. Don't drink too much if I don't see you on New Year. And please subscribe. Still trying to hit that 1,000 mark. We're getting closer. Get like, 4 or 5 subscribers every video. So thank you guys. I really appreciate it. And stay safe. And Happy New Year if I don't see you. And Glenn's signing off.